It's Friday, it's Friday. Okay, here we go with constant of proportionality. So I'm going to dissect this phrase. Constant means it doesn't change. It stays consistent the whole time. Proportionality means it's in proportion to each other. All right? Now I'm going to start straight off by doing some coordinates. And I'm going to write my coordinates like this. Okay? To make better sense of the constant of proportionality between these, I'm going to split it up into x and y values. You know, the first one is x, the second one is y. X, y, x, y, x, y. So look what I'm going to do. I'm going to put x at the top and y at the bottom. So x is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And y is 2, 4, 6, and 8. First of all, I'm going to refer back to yesterday's classwork. First of all, we got to determine, are they really proportional? Because if they are proportional, then I can cross multiply and I'll get the same answers. Let's see if that's true. 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 times 2 is also 4. It's working so far. 2 times 6 is 12, and 4 times 3 is 12. Still working. 6 times 4 is 24, and 3 times 8 is also 24. So what can I say about this set of information? They are in proportion. Now we're going to find what happens each time from one coordinate to the other so that it stays in proportion. This is what I see. X goes up by 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Y goes up by 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So what I can say is, every time that y goes up by 2, x goes over by 1. Now I'm going to draw this so that you understand better what it means, okay? Here is my coordinate plane. I'm going to make 0, 0, and I'm going to make x 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to make y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so that it goes up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that it goes up to 8. Now I'm going to plot them down. 1, 2 is my first one. 1 for x, 2 for y. 2, 4. 2 for x, 4 for y. 3 for x, 6 for y, 4, 8. 4 for x, 8 for y. And now I can connect them, and it will make a straight line. And the reason it's making a straight line is because of the following. Every time I go up 2 for y, I go 1 over for x. This is what I do each time. Up 2, 1 over. Up 2, 1 over. Up 2, 1 over. Up 2, 1 over. Never ever does that change. So these little steps that I drew is giving me how much it's changing each time. So I can say the rate of change, or the constant of proportionality, is 2 over 1. So the rate of change is 2 over 1. Please pay close attention to what I just did. I put y on top and x at the bottom. That is how you describe the constant of proportionality, also known as the rate of change. Every time y goes up 2, x goes over 1. Okay? Is it possible that I could have information that comes down. Let's say this is 50, 100, 150, 200. 50, 100, 150, 200. And let's say this is 10, 20, 30. Okay? I start out with $200 and it costs $50 to play 10 holes of mini putt-putt. Okay? So this is what I'm going to see. If X is 10, this is what I'm going to see. I'm going to come down 50 every time I play one set of 10 holes of miniature putt-putt. So this is what's going to happen. 50 down, $10 out of money. $50 down, 10 holes. $50 down, another 10 holes. $50 down, another 10 holes. $50 down, another 10 holes, and you'll be out of money. So here we go. Is it possible to have a graph that comes down? Absolutely. It's usually when we're giving out money or something becomes less. But the rate of change, also known as the constant of proportionality, was 50 over 1. Down 50, 10 over. Down 50, 10 over. Sorry, this is incorrect. 50 over 10. Down 50, 10 over. Down 50, 10 over. Now you see this 50 over 10? You could have simplified that, and you could have said divided by 10 equals 5 over 1. And on this graph, if you went down 5 and 1 over, it will still lie on this line. 5 down, 1 over. 5 down, 1 over. It will still fall on that line because this is the same as that, and this is my constant of proportionality, or my rate of change. In this work, they can ask you to make an equation to help you find answers, and then you just use the information that was given to you. Now we're going to practice in class how to do this. You will find this on Google Classroom at 7RP2B. 7RP2B. I'll also have it up on the board. Thank you, guys.